Hey everyone, welcome to test 9 explanation. Let's start the explanation part. I will try to explain the options why it is the right answer. So let's start our session. Where is Mrugavani National Park situated? Very important one. Mrugavani National Park. Basically, the answer is very simple. Mrugavani National Park is situated in the state of Telangana. Remember that Telangana has got three national parks. Three national parks. Out of them, the first and the foremost is Mrugavani National Park, which is present near Telangana State Police Academy, which is on the way to Chilkur Balaji Temple. It is outskirts of Telangana, Hyderabad. The second one is also on the outskirts of Hyderabad. It is nothing but Mahavir Harina Vanastari National Park. Vanastari National Park. And the third one, it is in the center of Hyderabad. It is near Jubilee Hills. It is nothing but KBR National Park. So very clear, all the national parks of the state of Telangana are present in and around Hyderabad. So there are three important national parks of Hyderabad. So Mrugavani is one of them. Sri Panusila Narasimha Wildlife Sanctuary is located in. Okay, options are Karnataka, Nagaland, Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh, Andhra Pradesh. Obviously, you can eliminate these three by looking at the name. So this kind of names will not be present in Nagaland, Rajasthan or Chhattisgarh. Coming to Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh, the answer is nothing but Andhra Pradesh. And remember that this is a wildlife sanctuary present in Nellore district of Andhra Pradesh. So Andhra Pradesh has got good number of wildlife sanctuaries, and one of them is nothing but Panusila Narasimha Wildlife Sanctuary. Very important. Which of the following summits propose the financial activities tax and financial stability contribution? Okay, options are G8, SARC, G20, SARC summit first, is SARC summit second, and none of this. The right answer is nothing but G20. Group of 20 industrialist countries in the world, very important. G20 countries. And India is one of the members of this G20. Every year we'll have a summit for G20. And remember that 2022 G20 summit to be held in India. This is a very important point. 2022 G20 summit, because India would be celebrating 75 years of India's independence. On account of this, India decided to host this 2020 G20 summit, and government has already sanctioned 100 crores of rupees for this G20 summit to be held in India. So very important. And 2020 G20 summit is in Saudi Arabia. So the important points. Next one. Which among the following is the external domestic agency for standardized approach for risk asset calculations? Very important. We are asking, or we are speaking about credit rating agencies which will be doing this risk assessment. If we see that CRISIL, Credit Rating and Information Services of India Limited, ICRA, Investment and Credit Rating Agency, CARE, Credit Analysis and Research, and Fitch. All these are related to risk assessment. Whenever you give a loan to someone, what is the probability of the loan to be repaid back? What is the probability that the country will repay with the loan that is taken from the international institutions? What is the probability that a company will repay back the loan? So to assess all these things, these research institutions, these credit rating agencies would be giving the credit rating to these institutions and countries. So the answer is nothing but all of the above is the right answer. Okay. In which state is the Saurashtra Cricket Association Stadium located? Obviously, Saurashtra is a part and parcel of Maharashtra. It is one of the drought regions of Maharashtra. So the right answer is obviously Maharashtra. What is the capital and currency of Hungary? So obviously Hungary, you know that Budapest is the capital. Obviously then the currency would be forint. So the right answer is nothing but Budapest and forint. So this is the capital and currency of Hungary. In which state is the Chhabra Thermal Power Plant located? Remember that Chhabra Thermal Power Plant is located in the state of Rajasthan. Very important. It is located in the state of Rajasthan. Okay, the answer is Rajasthan. Jawahar Sagar Dam in Rajasthan is built across which river? So to know that, we should know that which rivers are flowing through Rajasthan. For example, we take Chenab. Chenab is a river that flows through Jammu and Kashmir in Punjab. When you come to Bhagirathi, Bhagirathi flows in Uttarakhand. Okay, this is a place where a river, this is actually one of the rivers that will later on change the name as Ganga. Bhagirathi and Alaknanda will combine to form a Ganga. So Bhagirathi is actually one more form of Ganga. Godavari is in Andhra Pradesh. So obviously the answer would be Chambal. So on the river Chambal, this Jawahar Sagar Dam is being built in the place called as Rajasthan. Which Indian personality is named as Man of Peace? Very, very important. Okay, Lal Bahadur Shastri is called as a Man of Peace. He tried to avoid the wars between India and Pakistan. So that is the reason he is called as a Man of Peace. He is the one who has made this Tashkent agreement also. Okay, to have a peace between India and Pakistan. So very, very important. Okay, Lal Bahadur Shastri. And we have got other names also like Jawaharlal Nehru is called as Chacha. Okay, Raja Ram Mohammed, Renaissance of India, is a father of Indian Renaissance. Okay, he is the one who brought the social movements. Okay, Raja Ram Mohan Rai. And Bal Gangadhar Tilak, who is one of the freedom fighters. Okay, Lal Bal Pal, that Bal refers to Bal Gangadhar Tilak. International Fund for Agriculture Development, IFAD. Remember that agriculture oriented organization of UNO, United Nations Economic and Social Organizations. Okay, this has got one of the specialized agency called IFAD, and IFAD is headquartered in Rome, Italy. Not only IFAD, okay, not only IFAD, along with IFAD, we got FAO also present in Rome, Italy. And already we discussed in the one of the tests that Rome is called a city of seven hills. Okay, very, very important. Batkama is a famous festival of which Indian state? Obviously, Telangana. The 29th state of country is Telangana. Now we are going to 28 states because Jammu and Kashmir is converted into Union territories. So now the recent state of India is nothing but Telangana, and the famous festival is nothing but Batkama. It is not only festival but also a dance of Telangana. The boundary line demarcating North Vietnam with South Vietnam. See here, basically there is nothing like a physical line. It is basically a latitude. You know that the globe will have longitudes and also latitudes. That is, we have got longitudes across the globe. The imaginary lines. We also got latitudes. Now 17th parallel, there is nothing but 17 degree latitude is the one that separates North Vietnam with the South Vietnam. So the answer is nothing but 17th parallel. So like that, even Andaman Nicobar also we have got a 10th channel, 10 degree channel. So all these are nothing but longitudes and latitudes that separates the countries. Okay, the answer is 17th parallel. Asia Pacific Economic Cooperation has its headquarters in which place? This is not OPEC, it is nothing but APEC. Okay, the headquarters of APEC is present in Singapore. Very important. And remember that 21 countries are members of this APEC. Basically, the South Asian countries, everyone is part of this APEC, and Singapore is the headquarters of APEC. All India Rajmata Vijayaraja Scindia Gold Cup is rated with which sport? Remember that. When you come to the cups, whenever there is a name of a prince or princess, like Vijayaraja Scindia, okay, name of a princess. Now, obviously, every prince, king's names, whatever cups are present, they will be mostly related to hockey. Remember that. For example, Jawaharlal Trophy. We can Murugappa Gold. Okay. Aga Khan Cup. So, any kings, princely, royal families, they will have their cups related to hockey, because it is these royal families which have actually sponsored this hockey game. So, hockey is very important, and it is our national game also. Bharat city of Gujarat is situated along the banks of which river? So obviously here our options will be mostly between Narmada and Sabarmati. Okay, so the answer here is Narmada. Bharat city is on the banks of the river called Narmada. Okay, it's a part of Gujarat. Kangaroo Valley National Park is situated in which Indian state? Remember that. With respect to this, I have got a quote to remember. Okay, Guru Ghasidas. Achanak. jumped 36 meter like a kangaroo. Like a kangaroo. So here Chhattis refers to something called as a Chhattisgarh. So obviously state of Chhattisgarh. See here, the first one, Guru Ghasidas. Guru Ghasidas wildlife sanctuary is there. And Achanak Mar. Achanak refers to what? Achanak Mar. Chhattis means like a kangaroo. Kangaroo refers to something called as a Kangar Valley. Kangar Valley. Okay. So Guru Ghasidas, Achanakmar, and Kangar Valley. All these are present in the state of Chhattisgarh. So Guru Ghasidas Achanak suddenly jumped 36 meter. How? Like a kangaroo. So the answer here is Chhattisgarh. Very simple. Okay. Next one. Sikka Thermal Power Station is located in which state? Remember that Sikka Thermal Power Station is very very close to Jamnagar. Jamnagar is known for having Air Force Station, and this Jamnagar is present in the state of Gujarat. So the answer is nothing but Gujarat. Okay. What is the currency of Papua New Guinea? Okay, Papua New Guinea, the currency is nothing but Kina. Already I give lot of codes for currencies to remember. For example, you take dollar. Dollar के लिए बार बार बाहर नहीं आना बेटा. डॉलर के लिए बार बार बाहर नहीं आना बेटा. बार बरबुडा, बार बर्बाडोस, बाहर बहामास, नहीं आना बेटा. नौरू ना नौरू, आना Antigua, beta Belize. Okay, so like this we have got a lot of codes to remember. Okay, if you can sing in. Okay, there's something called as a channel. What is that channel? There's something like, if you can sing in New Zealand. Okay, to win dollar hats off. So if you can sing in New Zealand TV to win dollar hats off. If you can sing, USA, Canada, Singapore. Sing in New Zealand Equa TV, New Zealand Equador TV, Taiwan. To win dollar hats off. HEAT, Hong Kong, and A is you can say Australia, T is you can say Taiwan. Okay, so like this you can actually have a lot of statements which will tell you which countries have having the currency called as a dollar. Okay, so that's how for dollar there are a lot of countries. Almost more than 21 countries will have currency called as dollar, one of the famous currency. Okay. In which state is the Noakalike Falls? Very, very important. These are the highest waterfalls in the country. Highest waterfalls in the country are the Noakalike waterfalls. After this Noakalike, the second highest would be Jog Falls in Karnataka. These Noakalike waterfalls are present in the state of Meghalaya. Very important. In the state of Meghalaya. Every year, which day is celebrated as World Television Day? Remember that. World Television Forum was formed in the year 1992 on 21st of November. So this particular day is celebrated as World Television Day. Very, very important. And you should know that 12th July is celebrated as Malala Day. So these are the two important days present here. Malala Day. Yusufzai Malala was born on 12th July. So 12th July is celebrated as Malala Day. Where in India is the Barabar Hill Caves located? Barabar Hill Caves are one of the rock caves. And these are very, very ancient. These are present in the state of Bihar. So the right answer is nothing but Bihar. When is the World Blood Donors Day observed? World Blood Donors Day is observed on 14th of June. It is the birthday of a person called as the Karl Landsteiner. Karl Landsteiner is actually a person who has got a Nobel Prize in medicine for a transfusion medicine. And he is the one who has discovered the blood groups. We know that A group, B group, O group, AB group. So all these blood groups are discovered by Carl Landstein. His birthday is celebrated as World Blood Donors Day. Remember that O negative is the universal donor, AB is the universal acceptor. Okay, so there are very people who have got O negative blood group. It's not O positive, rather it's the O negative which is the universal donor, not O positive. Remember that. Very, very, very important. Okay. The next one. Where is the famous Uluru Sandstone located? This is one of the famous destination spots which is present in the deserts of tourist destination spots in the deserts of Australia. Remember that this stone is formed because of a weathering process. It is formed on account of a weathering process. Uluru Sandstone, one of the famous places in Australia. Okay. When we discuss about the continents, then this is one we have to definitely discuss when we discuss about Australian continent. Where is the headquarters of World Food Program? Very, very important. Why it's very, very important? It is important because recently World Food Program is the recipient of Nobel Peace Prize. Is won by World Food Program. It is present in Rome, Italy. This is a very, very important. I already told you Vienna, Austria is headquarters for top international organizations such as OPEC, IAEA and UNADO. New York, okay, Washington DC, very close by, okay, where World Bank and IMF was located, Washington DC, but New York is a part of also United States, say Washington DC and United States. Geneva, Switzerland is a headquarters for many, many international organizations, WHO, ILO, WMO, WIPO. That is, many things are headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland. World Trade Organizations, all these things. Where India is Vembanad Lake situation? Very simple. Vembanad, obviously, the name is very closely linked with Kerala. So Vembanad Lake is a part of Kerala. Kerala is known for a lot of backwater lakes also. World Polio Day is observed on, very important. This is nothing but October 24th. October 24th is also celebrated as UN Day. On this particular day, UNO came into existence in the year 1945. So UN Day is also celebrated on October 24th. The World Polio Day is also on the same day. Okay. September 10th is also important because the International Day for Prevention of Suicide is observed on September 10th. And November 5th, not that important, but October 5th was important, World Teachers Day. September 5th is India's Teachers Day, October 5th is World Teachers Day. So like that. I think it's Tsunami Day, if I'm not wrong, November 5th. Okay, very important days. Galathea National Park is situated in. Almost there are 9 national parks in this place that replace none other than Andaman Nicobar. Okay, we got Saddle Peak, we have got Mahatma Gandhi National Park, we have got Jhansi Rani National Park. Then we also got Galathea National Park, which is present in Andaman and Nicobar. Very, very, very important. Okay. Next. Kalbelia dance is a dance form in which state? Kalbelia is the dance form in Rajasthan. Most of the dance forms in Rajasthan, they will have huge dress attire. Okay. So they're very, very famous. Kalbelia is one of the folk dances of Rajasthan. Uttar Pradesh, Ras Leela is one of the folk dances of Uttar Pradesh. Punjab, you all know, Bhangra is one of the, and Gidda is also folk dance of Punjab. Koleru bird sanctuary in which state? Obviously, the answer is Andhra Pradesh. Is one of the freshwater lake, Koleru Lake. And remember that initially Koleru Lake was a salt water, but because of the river's water being contributed, this salt water lake became a freshwater lake. So this is important. Koleru. The term free throw is associated with which game? So these kind of questions are asked in the examinations. Terminologies, game terminologies. Say it's associated with basketball. What exactly is a free throw? For example, when some opposite team makes a foul, then in basketball you need to put the ball in the basket. So this team, the other team would be given a chance to throw the ball in the basket so that no one will obstruct the ball. Means everyone, the opposition team should not stop in between. They should stay aside. This fellow will throw the ball. If the ball falls into that post, the basket, then that's a win. So that is the free throw is associated with something called as a game of basketball. So you should understand that different terminals used in different games here. World Museum Day is marked on which day? World Museum Day is marked on 18th of May. Very important. 18th May is World Museum Day. So very important day. Kulamau Dam in Kerala is built across which river? The famous river of Kerala is nothing but Periyar River. Very important. So this Kulamau Dam is also part of a Periyar River. Okay. This Periyar River, if it's not managed properly, it may result into floods also. So very important to manage the Periyar River. Now, this is one type of question asked in examination. The number of players on each side of the baseball is, how many players are there on each side of the baseball team? So baseball is one of the important games. Okay, I think it's also a national game of USA. There are 9 players in baseball. So when you come to the players in a game, baseball 9 players, hockey 11 players, cricket 11 players, football 11 players. But we got different football. We got rugby football, okay, which is got 15 players. So like this, volleyball 6 players. You should know how many players are present in each game. That's important. Coco 9 players. Right, okay. Ujjain is situated in the banks of which river? Very important. Ujjain. You should associate that place. Okay, Ujjain, Madhya Pradesh, Shipra. So Ujjain is present on the banks of the river called as Shipra. The capital of Finland is happiest country in the world is nothing but Finland. So the capital of Finland is nothing but Helsinki. Ottawa is the capital of Canada. Wellington, it should be Wellington is the capital of Netherlands. Yes. And Stockholm is the capital of Sweden. Copenhagen, Denmark. Okay. Australia capital is Canberra. So New Zealand capital is Wellington. Okay. Amsterdam is the capital of Netherlands. Okay. So like this, you should know the capitals of different countries. So once again, I'm repeating: Copenhagen, Denmark; Stockholm, Sweden; Wellington, New Zealand; Ottawa, Canada; Helsinki, Finland. Happiest country in the world. And rank of India with respect to happiness is nothing but 144th rank. Very sad to see this. Okay. The capital of Morocco is Rabat. Very frequently asked question. This is nothing but Rabat. So the capital of Morocco is nothing but Rabat. Dirham is the currency of Morocco. UAE and Morocco, the currencies are nothing but dirham. UAE and Morocco. Both of them are having the same currency called as a dirham. It's important. To help non-banking finance companies and housing finance companies tide over liquidity problem, the RBI has allowed banks to provide PCE to bonds issued by the companies. What here PCE means? See, PCE, partial credit enhancement, means whatever the loan that they are giving, okay, they are trying to enhance that loan partially, not completely, but partially. Okay, so this is basically given to help this housing finance companies, okay, to try out liquidity. What is the meaning of liquidity problem? Liquidity problem is nothing but they are not having a cash in their hands. So as they are not having a cash in their hands, NBFCs and housing finance companies, they are trying to provide them this cash through this partial credit enhancement scheme. What is the full form of BHIM? BHIM is one of the Digital India initiative, Bharat Interface for Money. So where is this Bharat Interface for Money? It is nothing but here, Bharat Interface for Money. So using BHIM, it is basically UPI, Unified Payment Interface Application, where different banks can be linked to different vendors. So you can make payment to any vendor from any bank without using the password of your respective bank every time. If you have got BHIM passcode, that is sufficient to make the payment. So very easy way of transferring the money to any vendors. What was the year of establishment of the first Indian commercial bank which was wholly owned and managed by Indians? Wholly owned and managed by Indians. So obviously the answer is nothing but Central Bank of India 1911. Central to you since 1911. So there is the first Indian commercial bank wholly owned and managed by Indians. So Central Bank of India, CBI. Which is the oldest public sector bank in India? See here. The oldest public sector bank in India is nothing but Allahabad Bank. Allahabad Bank. Very, very, very important. So first bank to be said, Bank of Allahabad. Okay, very, very important. Answer is the Allahabad Bank. Okay, so that's all for today, and wish you all the best for your next exam. Also, we'll again discuss give the examinations. We'll discuss each question with solutions. Signing off, Narasimha Reddy Kasaram. Thank you, everyone. All the best.